Is it safe to run wheel spacers on the GMC Yukon? Wheel spacers are the common aftermarket parts for the GMC Yukon. The spacer is machined to fit over the vehicle hub, with bolt holes drilled to fit. New wheel studs are pressed into a spacer in the arrangement of the wheel-lock patterns. The rims finally are secured on the spacer with stock wheel nuts. Since the force of studs hasn't changed, this connection is just as safe as without spacers. It is recommended to use forged aluminum GMC wheel spacers. BONOSS aluminum spacers are made of forging process, have higher strength and more suitable for driving in different situations, reducing the issue of spacer failure. Meanwhile, aluminum wheel spacers are much lighter than steel ones, which effectively ensures driving safety and allows for less gas consumption and better engine efficiency. This black hard anodized surface made the wheel spacer less susceptible to corrosion. This will dissipate brake heat better, which effectively reduce brake overheating. The cheap wheel spacers are always in low-quality material, meaning that they are overall just much lower quality. Just like the wheel studs, BONOSS wheel spacers with grade 12.9 wheel studs are of higher strength than others with grade 10.91, which mostly reduce the wheel stud broken problem. Second, the wheel spacer material. Aluminum alloy is much stronger and lighter than the steel one,